What's up, guys? This is Gavin at Tap Performance, and we are starting a new project this week. As you can see, we have our 2019 Street Glide Special kind of torn apart. Don't know if you can see that or not, but I'll flip the camera around and kind of show you guys what's going on. We were doing a dyno run on that Street Glide, and we kept seeing a noticeable loss of power. So we ended up tearing the motor down and finding that one of the piston rings was actually cracked and losing compression. So we had that front cylinder torn down and just decided, why not go with a full zippers build? So we got a hold of zippers and we decided to go with the 128 muscle kit. So today we are gonna start the full build on this. We are gonna do the disassembly and then send the cores that we need to get sent down to zippers so they can work their magic. So stick around, we're gonna get this disassembled and get it sent off to zippers. All right, guys, I just want to show you real quick that piston that I just popped off the rod of that 17 Street Glide. I thought it was the actual piston ring that was cracked, but it's actually the guides of the rings that's part of the piston. So let me flip this around, kind of show you the carnage of the piston. So here we have the rings, that looks fine. Right between those rings, we are missing a ton of material. I did pick some out, but not only there we missed material, there's also cracks right above those oil scraper rings. All right guys, so we just got the motor pulled out of the Street Glide there, letting all the oil drain out of the case before we get it packaged up and ready to send down to Zippers, where we are doing a welded dark horse crank. We're gonna do the 128 muscle kit on the Street Glide, and we are shooting for 150 horsepower out of this build. Along with that, we are gonna be doing the stage 2 heads from Zipper, and then we're gonna do the HPI 62 mil intake, and we're gonna pair that with a different air intake as well. So we're gonna get this packaged up, get it sent down to Zippers, let them work their magic, and then we are gonna toss this back in and try to race to get it ready for Sturgis.